What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're checking out the newly released JBL Charge 5. The price is 180 bucks and it's coming with a completely new look compared to the other models. So basically in this video, I'm going to help you guys decide if this is a speaker worth checking out, or if maybe you have one of the previous models, if it's worth the upgrade. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, you got a completely new design. It looks extremely similar to the JBL Xtreme 3, which I did review not too long ago. You got that bold JBL branding right in the middle, which on the previous models, the branding was a lot smaller. You've got your controls conveniently located on the top of the speaker, and just like the previous models, the speaker has a very durable feel to it. On each side of the speaker, you've got some little rubber feet just in case you want to stand the speaker up on its end. And then you can also see the bass radiators as well. On the back of the speaker is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. And I'm not sure why the charging port is not located underneath the protective flap like the USB out port, but I'm assuming this doesn't affect the speaker's water resistance. You've also got some rubber feet on the very bottom of the speaker just to make sure it's nice and stable no matter what type of surface you place the speaker on. So the speaker is running Bluetooth 5.1, so you are getting an up-to-date Bluetooth connection, and it's got an advertised battery life of 20 hours on a single charge, which is in line with the previous models. And with that USB out port, you can use the speaker to charge other devices like a phone or a tablet. One thing to mention is that they did take away the auxiliary input like they had on the previous models. So if that's something that's important to you, unfortunately you don't have that option with the Charge 5. You can also connect up to 2 devices at the same time. So if you or another person want to take turns playing music, you can do that with no problems. You're also able to sync the speaker up with JBL Party Boost devices. So unfortunately, if you have JBL products that still use Connect or Connect Plus, they won't sync with the JBL Charge 5. The speaker also has an IP67 dust and water resistant rating, which is going to make it safe for any type of outdoor environment. And as far as watts, the speaker is claiming 40 watts of total output, which is higher than the JBL Charge 4. Now let's go ahead and do a sound test just to give you guys a rough idea of the sound. Obviously on camera, it's not going to give you an exact representation of the sound, but you are getting some really good sound quality. The treble comes in nice and clean. It really helps vocals stand out, makes them very pronounced and very forward. You're also getting some incredible bass, especially for the size, and you're getting some amazing max volume as well. I definitely think the sound is an upgrade compared to the previous models, so I'm gonna make sure to do another video where I compare the sound of the JBL Charge 3, the Charge 4, and the Charge 5, and I'll do it on camera to hopefully give you guys a feel of the difference and to show you that the JBL Charge 5 does have better sound quality. So overall, I do like the JBL Charge 5. In my opinion, it is an upgrade to the previous models. I like the updated look and most importantly, the improvement on the sound quality. So if you guys are interested in grabbing one, I will put the links down in the description. And if this video was helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. And aside from that, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I have coming up. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.